Over the weekend, I took flight with the mini drone to practice close-up and aerial photos. I captured assorted practice shots in the garden and around the city as I practiced assorted photo options. I am very pleased with the image quality, and look forward to taking on more knowledge in terms of the craft's capabilities. Thank you for flying along, and have a great day. Watch the video as I practice the dangerous hand capture, which can cause serious injury to hands and fingers. I am still typing, so it obviously worked out for me.
Thanks again for watching my weird videos. I am exploring new areas in my life, and I appreciate your patience and feedback. Stay real, and call you mom.